Hi everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the LG washer shaking violently in 2026. So before hopping on to the solutions, we need to understand why is it actually happening and what's actually causing it. So violent shaking happens when the washer cannot control the drum movement at high speed. This is usually due to improper load distribution or unstable floor setup, or sometimes due to worn suspension components. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to simply reset the load distribution. So in order to do that, remove everything and then reload it evenly. Place the items in a circular balanced pattern and not in the one clump. So the heavy items should not sit in one side. So you need to make sure of that. After doing so, if your washer is relatively new, you can check the back of the shipping bolts. So here, if they are still installed, it means that the drum cannot move freely and it causes extreme shaking. So you just have to simply remove them. Now push the water slightly. If it rocks or if it moves, you can adjust the feet until all the four corners are firmly grounded. A slightly uneven floor can also amplify the vibration. So after doing so, you can also run a spin cycle with a small load or empty drum. If shaking reduces, it means that the issue is load related. If not, it points to the internal components. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your LG washer shaking violently stops. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.